Hey everybody, Mike Pridmore, Territory Manager with Utility Service Agency, here today at the Utility Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're here with the PLP booth with Mr. Mark Thomas of our Inspection Services platform. We do inspection on hardware because PLP is the experts in it. We have a full fleet of drones where we come out, do inspections on your hardware, and we take that data and we look at it, we rank it and give it back to you so you can go out and do general maintenance. Mark, what else to add?
All right, it's pretty simple. You kind of hit the nail on the head. So we go out, we work with the utilities, we'll send up drones, we'll take a bunch of pictures of your poles or structures. We send all that data back to our offices in Cleveland, Ohio, where we will analyze every image that we have, and we will force rank any critical concerns that we have on a 1 through 5 scale. And then we generate reports based on those ratings and provide actionable reports back to utilities so they can send their crews out to go ahead and fix any of the anomalies that were found. All right, so I'm just going to walk you through one of the reports that we provide our utilities when we're done with the inspection. So this is our map view result. This is on our GIS platform. And what you see here, this is every pole that we inspected during the inspection. Every dot is a pole or a structure. And you can see green, red, you can see some orange. That's the different rating classifications that we have.
Show us something bad, Mark.
I'll show you something bad. So what we can do here is we can sort over here on the left. We can sort by anything we want to see. So we're going to check conductor hardware condition. We're going to look for any critical concerns that were found. And you can see how it sorts all the data. Now I can zoom in to this particular structure. I can click on it. And it's going to bring me up a nice little report of everything that we captured while we were in the field. So we're going to get some inventory. It's a lattice structure. We have dead ends, and then we can scroll down and we can see some of the classification ratings that we have. You can see here structure rating was good, framing is good, and then we go down here, we got some insulator corrosion, and then here's our critical concern here on the conductor. So I can come down here and I can see a brief report as to what the guys found while they were there. And then we also attach the image so that you can clearly see and identify.
That's not good.
That is a problem.
That's not good.
I think we're going to want to go out right away and fix that.
That's not good.
So you can see how powerful this tool can be and how easy it is to identify where you need to send your crews and what you need to work on when you're in the field. You got a question? Give me a call.
Please reach out and give us a shout at USA if you have any questions about how PLP can help inspect your general transmission system or your distribution system. Thank you.